The Mark III-4 is our biggest scroll former in terms of its scroll size and its maximum working capacity. It is well matched with the other tools in the XL range and can be fitted with tube-forming components as an optional extra. Its unique central gripping system enables it to handle a wide variety of material sizes, and that includes square and round bars and flat bars with tapered or fish-tailed ends. The adjustable guide rings on the pressure roller help to keep the bar level during scrolling. It also has interchangeable segments to allow a range of different scroll shapes to be created. To make a scroll using flat bar, it is important that the guide ring on the pressure roller is first set to the width of the bar to be scrolled. This helps to ensure that the scroll stays flat as it is being formed. Next, you open out the segments and push the pressure roller slide in towards the central capstan. Then slide the end of your bar into the center segment and locate it in the appropriate gripping position of the center segment. By turning the handles, the gripping teeth lock the end of the bar and your scroll starts to take shape. Keep rotating the handles until your desired scroll size is created. When complete, lift the segments to release a fantastic looking scroll made in a matter of seconds. Another feature of this tool is that it can scroll square and round bar very easily, thanks to the quick gripping system. The only setup required is to ensure the pressure roller guide rings are set to keep the bar level during scrolling. If necessary, the handles can be extended where more power is required. Scrolling is then carried out as before to create yet another stylish heavy-duty scroll on this impressive former. To complement the end forging capability of the XL5 Plus, the gripping mechanism can accommodate the forged ends of bars to enable very stylish scrolls to be created. With our magnetic marker system, the finish point of any scroll can be marked on the segment. This simple but effective feature is really useful when you have lots of identical scrolls to produce quickly. The scroll template provided with the Mark III-4 is a great design aid that can help you estimate how much material you need in order to make any particular scroll size. For the professional metalworker, this tool offers an incredible capability to make a large range of heavy-duty scrolls for a remarkably low cost. Like the Mark II-3 and III-3, this former can also be supplied with an optional tube bending kit. This is an extra feature that can be very useful if you work with round steel tube, and it also complements the tube rolling capability of the XL5 Plus. The kit contains a large and a small tube bending segment to produce two alternative bend diameters, as well as a small guide roller which fits on the pressure roller. To fit the components, you firstly detach all the outer segments and remove the central capstan and center segment. Then place one of the semicircular tube bending components onto the pivot pin and replace the central capstan. Then lock the two together with one of the segment hinge pins. Next, place a small concave roller onto the pressure roller and keep it in place with one of the guide rings. Now feed the tube into the aperture on the bending component and rotate to achieve a bend of up to 180 degrees.